Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Thinkster.com, and in today's video, I want to welcome our new Thinkster freelancer student, Nick. So welcome, Nick, to the freelancer course. Great to have you here. Appreciate you joining the course. I think you made a great decision. So freelancing is a very exciting opportunity. You can work from home, as I do. Actually, I enjoy working from home. I did it. So when I first started out as a freelance developer, I also I was really grateful to be able to work from home because I could see my kids grow up and everything. And I still had the impression that I made much quicker progress towards my personal goals regarding income and regarding career progress, because I just have like more time, I have more space, I have more freedom. So I really enjoy working from home. And in this welcome videos, I want to first of all tell you you're appreciated. So thanks, Nick, for joining the course. But second, I want to give you give you some specific tips or interesting niches you could pursue as a freelance developer yourself. So this is just like if the niches don't interest you, of course there are like myriads of different niches, and you will find your niche that interests you. You will find a niche that is exciting for you. And in today's video, I've actually checked out one niche, which is the business application development. So if you check business application development, the national average salary for a business application developer is 88K. But this is obviously only like the salary for employed people, and usually employed persons have actually the salary is not as attractive for employed people as it is for freelancers. So now you can check out here, like this is an example of an Upwork freelancer, Ben, who does business application development, and you can see like he has a very high job success score, top rated freelancer, and makes about $100 per hour. So you can see it. So if you go back, here you see like he makes above almost like $100 per hour, and you can see like in business. So what does he do? Actually, if you look at his profile, he actually describes what he does in quite some detail. For example, here he writes experience conducting workflow analysis, identifying inefficiency and opportunities for automation within the Podio ecosystem. So he focuses on the tool, like this Podio tool. He creates custom workspaces, apps, and process flows. He has sets up workflows and automation using like email marketing software and integration tools like Zapier. He does like email automation, shipping, tracking, and stuff. So as a coder, usually it's very simple to use those tools, right? Because if you know Python, you understand these workflow tools. Like oftentimes these are just like some if this and that kind of workflow. So it's really easy to understand as a coder. But you can create huge value for businesses, right? So that's why I think so. If you are in the coding space, maybe you can open up your horizon a bit and go into this business application development space where you can use existing tools and create like attractive business workflows to create value for businesses. And this and like not creating your own applications, but actually integrating different existing applications into a working workflow that actually creates value for the business itself. So if you check out so let's go maybe back to the trend. So is it a stable trend? So if you search for business application development on Google, like this is like the trend from 2004 to today in the world. You see it's like pretty stable. It grows slightly. It's a pretty stable and pretty safe industry that will exist for decades to come, and you could actually bet your whole career on this one industry, right? Just integrating different tools. Maybe if you what does the industry actually do? What is application development? It is the process of creating a computer program or set of programs to perform the different tasks that a business requires. And I would actually add, it is not only creating this program, but using existing programs to create like a meta program that uses those programs, integrating those existing programs into a higher level business workflow. And you can see like here's the question: what is a business application developer? An application developer typical responsibilities include coding, designing, application management, troubleshooting, monitoring updates and security threats, providing end user support. But you don't need to do all those things. You just need to do the things that you want to do, right? If you don't want to do the coding part and just do the integration part, this is fine as well. So in freelancing, it's often a great idea to actually niche down. Here you see like another question, what is an example of a business application system? It could be like order management, inventory management, billing. All these are like business applications, and like connecting to servers, and you also could go into design industry. So you see like it's a whole category within Upwork. It's like myriads of applications concern only business application development, and I think it's a very stable, very safe bet to get a stream of attractive job opportunities on Upwork as a freelancer. It's a whole ecosystem by itself, and you can, if this interests you, or even if you just have some skills in this area, or if you want to focus on one of those tools and just offer your services for this particular tool, for example, Sohu or Slack or something like this, right? Or maybe if this then that, right? Or Zapier, like connecting different things. You could focus on one of those tools for business application, business workflows, for example. Just focus on one tool, learn it well. You can do it probably within a weekend, like watching a couple of tutorial videos, and then you could already offer your services to businesses. And businesses actually need those tools. Actually, they hire experts to use those tools. And if you are a programmer, understanding those tools is really simple. It's really relatively simple. So with relatively simple effort, you could create a thriving business and a thriving career only on this one set of tools, or one niche actually. So I think it's really really exciting industry to be in. Okay, so anyways, Nick, thanks for joining the freelancer course, and yeah, see you in the course. Bye.